Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix store error code in Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Store Apps. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type WS Reset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Store, select Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options. Click Reset. Fourth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Click Get Started under Reset this PC. Click Keep My Files. Click Local Install. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.